Imagine waking up one day and finding the sun missing from the sky. What would happen to Earth if the sun suddenly disappeared? This is not the plot of a science fiction movie, but a thought experiment that helps us understand the sun's crucial role in our lives. The sun is the lifeblood of our planet. It drives the processes that support life on Earth. It's the powerhouse behind photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, forming the backbone of the food chain. It's the furnace that keeps Earth warm, preventing it from becoming a frozen wasteland. It lights up our world, banishing the darkness and providing the illumination necessary for life. But what if the sun vanished? What if this source of light, heat, and energy just blinked out? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? The sun's disappearance is a highly unlikely event, but it provides a thought-provoking scenario to understand its significance. In the absence of the sun, life on Earth would face immediate and drastic changes. Let's explore this solar-less scenario in more detail. Firstly, our planet would lose its primary energy source. The sun fuels photosynthesis, the process through which plants convert sunlight into energy. Without this process, our ecosystems would collapse, and most life forms would cease to exist. Secondly, the Earth would become an icy wasteland. The sun's heat maintains our planet's comfortable temperature. Remove the sun, and our world will cool rapidly, plunging into a deep freeze. The absence of sunlight would also strip away the warming effect of the atmosphere, making conditions even more frigid. Next, imagine a world of perpetual darkness. Without the sun's light, our planet would be cloaked in an unending night. The only sources of illumination would be the distant stars and our moon, their light mere whispers compared to the sun's radiant glow. The sun's absence would also wreak havoc on our atmosphere. Solar radiation is responsible for distributing heat and circulating air. Without it, atmospheric patterns would be disrupted, causing unpredictable changes in weather and wind systems. Our oceans, too, would feel the sun's absence. The sun's energy drives ocean currents and influences the water cycle. Without sunlight, the oceans would cool rapidly, disrupting marine life and upsetting the balance of ecosystems. Evaporation would halt, affecting rainfall patterns and potentially leading to widespread drought. Even our technology wouldn't escape unscathed. Many of our devices rely on solar energy, directly or indirectly. In a world without the sun, solar panels and similar technologies would become obsolete. We might find ourselves leaning heavily on dwindling fossil fuel resources, potentially sparking resource conflicts. Lastly, survival would become a monumental challenge. Most organisms would struggle to persist in such harsh conditions. A few exceptions, such as organisms near hydrothermal vents or those adapted to underground ecosystems, might manage to survive. While the extinction of most life forms seems inevitable, there might be some organisms that could persist in such inhospitable conditions. The hypothetical scenario of a world without the sun highlights its crucial role in supporting life. It's the beating heart of our solar system, the engine that drives the processes essential for our survival. The sun's warmth allows for the existence of liquid water, the cornerstone of life. Its light fuels photosynthesis, the process that sustains the base of our food chain. But the sun isn't just about the here and now. It's on a journey, a life cycle that spans billions of years. Currently, we find our sun in the middle of its main sequence phase, steadily converting hydrogen into helium through the power of nuclear fusion. This process releases the light and heat that warm our world, a cycle that will continue for billions of years to come. Understanding the vital role of the sun underscores the importance of preserving and sustaining the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth.